Good morning, children. I am giving the practice paper 1. You have to practice in rough notebook each sum 5 times because FA2 test is coming. Okay. So, first main is what? Add the following. Add the following. You must add both the numbers and you have to get the sum. Okay. See, you know that TH means 1000, H means 100, T means tens, U means units. So, they given 6371 plus 421. You must had. Okay, had the fun. See, 1 plus 1 is how much, children? 1 in the mind, 1 on the finger. How much after 1? 2. Right here 2. 7 in the mind, 2 on the finger. After 7, 8, 9. Right here 9. 3 on the mind, 4 on the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right here 7. 6. Only one number is there in thousands place. So write 6 only. Okay. Now second one. 9 plus 0. Any number had with the number itself will be the sum. So 9 plus 0 is 9. 3 in the mind, 2 on the finger. After 3, 4, 5. Write 5. 0. You know that 0 is no value. So 9. 0 plus 9 is 9. 6 in the mind, 2 on the finger. After 6, 7, 8. Third sum. 5 in the mind, 7 on the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, what you will do? You will write 12 also here? No. Write here 2, carry 1 to the tens place. Okay. 1 plus 7 is what, children? 8. 8 in the mind, 9 on the finger. 9 on the finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So, write here 7. Carry 1 to the 100 place. So 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 in the mind, 3 on the finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10. Right here 0, carry 1. Okay, in thousands place. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 in the mind, 2 on the finger. After 5, 6, 7. Okay, children. Fourth sum. 7 in the mind, 3 on the finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10. Write here 0, carry 1 to the tens place. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. 4 in the mind, 2 on the finger. After 4, 5, 6. 3 in the mind, 5 on the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, subtract the following. So, from big number you have to minus the smaller number, that is take away. Okay, subtractions means take away, then the backward counting. Okay, children, not forward counting. Addition is the forward counting, subtraction is the backward counting. So, 9 on the finger. See, 5 plus 4, 9 on the finger, close 3. 1, 2, 3. How much is remain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How much? 6. So, from 6, you have to close how much? Minus 4. You have to close how much? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remaining 1, 2. Right here 2. So, 3 minus 0 is 3 only. So, 8 on the finger. So, you have to close how much? Minus 5. 8 on the finger. You have to close 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remaining 1, 2, 3. Right here 3. Okay. 6 on the finger, second sum. 6 on the finger, close 5. How much is remain? 1. 7 on the finger, close 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remaining 1, 2, 3. 5 on the finger, minus 5 minus 3. That is, you have to close how much? 3. 1, 2, 3. Remaining 2. Right here 2. 9 on the finger, close 2. 1, 2. Remaining 5, 6, 7. Now third sum. So from 3 I have to take away 8. It's not possible. So I borrow 1 from the 9. 9 will become 8. This will become 13. So 13 minus 8. From 13. Okay. See here 13. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 minus how much? 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 13 minus 8 is how much? 5. So here 8 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How much you have to minus? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remaining 1, 2, 3. Right here 3. Okay. 6 minus 2. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have to minus 2. 1, 2. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4. Now fourth sum 3690 minus 1264. So what you will do? 0 minus 4. It's not possible. So I borrow from here. This will become 8. This will become 10. So 10 minus 4. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 8 minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How much you have to minus? 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remaining 1, 2. 6 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 2. 1, 2. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 minus 1. 1, 2, 3. You have to minus 1. So remaining 1, 2. Now, third main, subtract the following numbers in expand form. Expand, you have to expand the number, which number? 241. Expand form, you have to subtract the expand form. So, you have to expand 241 number. Okay. See, 673 minus, I told expand 241. So, 200 plus 40 plus 1. Now, subtract 673 minus 200. How much, children? 600 minus, see here, right here. 673 minus 200. What you will get? 3 minus 0 is 3. 7 minus 0 is 7. 6 minus 2 is how much, children? 4. So that is 473. So from 473 minus 40. 473 minus 40 is how much, children? See, 3 minus 0 is 3. From 7 minus 4 is 3. Then 4. 473 minus 40 is 433. So 433 minus 1. So that is what? You have to do minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. 3, 4. 432. Okay, children. Now second. Expand one of the given number and add in an order. You have to expand one of the given number. Okay. See, I will expand the second number. See, I written 5347 plus I expand this number 2632. No, 2632. Now you gone adding. Okay. See, for 5347 had how much here? First number 2000. Had 2000. So 7 plus 0 is 7. 4 plus 0 is 4. 3 plus 0 is 3, 5 plus 2 is 7. So 7347. For 7347, next number is what? You had 600. For this you had 600 now, children. Okay, this is over. Okay, now this one for 7347 plus 600. 7 plus 0 is 7, 4 plus 0 is 4, 3 plus 6 is 9. 7. So 7947. For this, next number is what? 7947 plus add 30 to this. Okay. 7. This is over. Next 7 plus 0 is 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. 9. 7. 7947. Okay. For this one, 7947 had 30, what you get? 7977. Okay. Next, for 7977 plus 2. Add to this one. Okay. This is finished. Now 7 plus 2 is 9. 797. Okay. So 7977 plus 2, that is 7979. Okay, children, see here. Units, tens, hundred, thousand. We had no units, tens, hundred, thousand. Okay, we got this number. Okay. Now solve these problems. That is a word problem, children. In a month, a person's earnings is rupees 9,500. He spent rupees 3,268 on household expenses. How much money did he save? So monthly earnings is how much? 9,500. Okay, 9,500. Next, he spent rupees 3,216 for expenses. Okay, so I written here in a month a person's earnings is 9,500 written. Now I will write here 9,000 children. Okay. He spent rupees 3,268 on household expenses. How much money did he save? So you write monthly earnings is what? 9,000 written. Monthly expenses is 3,268. So savings we don't know. What we have to do? From earnings we have to minus the expenses, we will get the savings. Okay. So here 9,000 is earnings monthly. Expenses is 3,268. So what you have to do? From 0 we have to minus 8. So it's not possible. So we borrow from next place. But there also 0 is there. In next place also 0. So I will borrow from 8. Okay. From 9. Sorry. From 9. 9 will become 8. Okay, I will not directly carry here, but I will take to the next place, that is 100 place. This will become 1000. So from 10 we will take to next number. 10 will become 9, and now I will carry 1 here. This was 10. Now I will carry this to 1. This will become 9. Here 10. 10 minus 8 is out, children? 2. So 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 2 is 7. 8 minus 3 is 5. So savings is how much? Rupees 5,732. Okay. See, second one. A circus company collected rupees 6,375 in the first show and rupees 2,895 in the second show of a day. What is the total amount of money collected on that day? Okay. On that day, see, first show how much amount? 6,375. In the second show, 2,895. So you had both first show and the second show. You will get the total money collected on that day. Okay. 5 plus 5 is how much, children? 10. Write here 0. Carry 1 here. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 9 is 17. Write here 7. Carry 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 8 is 12. Write here 2. Carry 1. So 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. So total money collected on that day is rupees 9,270. Now find the sum. Find the sum also. What you have to do? You must add. So you know that 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 5 in the mind. 4 on the finger after 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 2 plus 7. 2 in the mind, 7 on the finger after 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So no number is there. So 3 itself, here 5 only. Okay. 6 in the mind, 7 on the finger after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 in the mind, 3 on the finger after 13, 14, 15, 16. So write here 6. Carry 1. Okay. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. Write here 7. Carry 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. After 6, 2 on the finger, 6 in the mind. 1 plus 5 is 6. Okay. 6 in the mind, 2 on the finger. After 6, 7, 8. 8 in the mind, 4 on the finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Write here 2. Okay. Carry 1. Okay. See, 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. Write here 2. Carry 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 7. 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay. Now third sum. See the symbol here. Find the sum they are given, but not given any add or subtraction. See here plus is given. So you have to find. So third sum is what? See the sign is minus. So from 8 you have to minus 5. So you know that 8 on the finger, close 5. 3, 4, 5. Remaining is 3. 2 in the finger, close 2. 1, 2. That is 0. 3 on the finger, close 1. Remaining is 2. You have to see the sign, okay? Find the sum they are given. So 4 minus 1, from 4 minus 1 is 3. So 8 minus 4, 8 on the finger minus 4, remaining is 4. 6 minus 0 is 6, 9 on the finger, close 3, 1, 2, 3, remaining 4, 5, 6. Okay. Third sum, from 6 we have to minus 5, 6 minus 5 is 1. 7 minus 5 is 2. 8 minus 7, 4, 5, 6, 7, remaining is 1. 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay children. So first paper